नमस्ते बिटियाओं, हमेशा खुश रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए। दिस इज़ JVN ब्रिजेश कुमार यादव, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आई वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA JBC 8th semester botany subject. Paper name is biotechnology. Students, before going to start today's lecture, I'd like to brief you that so far in your botany paper we have studied biochemistry. Almost biochemistry part we have finished. Only 3 topics I have left just because of lack of time. After completion of this biotechnology portion, we will discuss them. Okay. Today we are going to start a new topic. Name is biotechnology, which is very interesting for both zoology students and botany students, and there is much more scope in higher studies in this biotechnology. So I can recommend you people for your higher studies. There is a whole program in biotechnology MSc. You can pursue it depending on your interest. Today students, we will see some of the historical background, introduction, definitions of biotechnology. In layman terms, this biotechnology is the use of organisms or product of organisms for the beneficial use of human being, for the human welfare. This term is made up of 3 different parts. Bio, that means life, living things. As you people are biology students, so you must know. Second portion is tech, that is technology, that is tool, device. And logos, last part you all know, that is study. So in this way we can summarize the meaning of this biotechnology, that is the use of living things in such a efficient technique for the development of human being welfare, their benefits. Okay. There are some definitions given by different organizations, scientists. We'll see them one by one. One definition is biotechnology deal with techniques of using live organisms or enzymes from organisms to produce products and processes useful to humans, means that is beneficial for human being. Another definition is biotechnology is the utilize techniques to alter the chemistry of genetic material. Students try to focus on this concept that biotechnology surely fundamentally based on the genetic material. Okay. That's why here alter the chemistry of genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, to introduce these into host organisms and thus change the phenotype of the host organisms. Okay. Ultimately this biotechnology leads to the manipulation of genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, and as you all know that ultimately each and every character of organisms, irrespective to its simplest bacteria to a higher organism, elephant, tree, it is ultimately governed by genetic material, that is DNA and RNA. So anyhow we are going to manipulate, play with the genetic material. Another definition of biotechnology is given by UN Convention on Biological Diversity, that is any technological application that uses biological systems. Okay, biological system, whether that is cell or tissue or genetic material or derivatives of, to make or modify products for specific use. What is that specific use? For human benefits. Okay, so ultimately this is the use of organisms irrespective to animal, plant, bacteria, for the benefit of human being. Okay, so this is the new evolved branch of biology. This is the not only the branch of biology, this is the merger of biology, physics, chemistry, information technology, all those merged and evolved in the form of biotechnology. Okay, so this is the biotechnology, some of the definition we have seen. Now another term is there which is synonymously used in biotechnology, that is the technique genetic engineering. Okay, genetic engineering, that is the technique to use, sorry,